Hello, hi, my name is Gemma and welcome. Today we're going to do tree pose, Vrikshasana. It's a great balancing pose and very popular. It's really versatile as well, so you can modify it to suit to you for what you want to do today. So you can either do foot to the floor, to the calf, or coming in fully to the pose, taking the foot to the thigh. And if you need to, if your balance is a little bit off, you can always hold onto the wall to help you get into the position and then practice by slowly taking the hand away from the wall to build up that confidence. So by starting, grounding down through the heel of the foot, nice strong foundation, pressing down through the big toe. Slowly, if you're coming to the full, engage the leg and lift up the other knee. From here, taking the foot to the thigh. Get a nice strong foundation, find that balance. When you think you're ready, slowly release your hand and bring them together at heart center in prayer. Opening up the knee, take some nice deep breaths, 5 breaths in this pose. Breathing in, breathing out. If you want to, you can take a little chin mudra, first finger and thumb, taking the arms up into the air, growing up through your core like a tree, grounding the roots down through the foot and growing up strong through the body. Relax the shoulders down, taking some nice deep breaths in for 3. Breathing in for 2. And gently last one. In through the nose, relax, bring those hands back through heart center. Release the knee into the center and then bring it nice and gently down. Give the legs a little kick and then take it to the other side.